Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Succeed. This video based on Microsoft Word application. In this video we will discuss on font group which is present in Home tab. In Microsoft Word, the looks and feel of your document has a lot to do with the formatting choose you want. If we added some formatting to this text, for example, we could really make the text stand out so it grab the reader's attention. I did to start by selecting the text for changing font style. Just go to the font group on the Home tab and located the font box. You can choose font style you want. So click the drop down arrow to select one. You will see a preview of the result as you go down the list. And I think Agency FB font style looks good. Now we will go to the next option. I am going to selecting the text for making it bigger. Just go to the font group on the Home tab and located the font size box. You can enter the exact size you want. Okay, so now I click the drop down arrow to select one. You will see the preview of the result as you go down the list. I think 24 looks good. Maybe we could go a little bigger through shrink and grow are two other options to quick change the size of your text. All you have to do is click on the command and perfect. Now I think about font color. So first of all, select a text and to view your options, click the arrow next to the font color command. You can go with one of the theme's colors here. Or if you don't see anything you like, go ahead, click more color options. I choose green color. This green color should look nice. Then okay. Another way to make your text stand out, it is use bold. I did select the text and click the bold option. If you want to remove bold from text, again you click bold button. Also have another way to make bold, so I am using the shortcut key Ctrl+B. This command allows to the bold text of your document. Next is italic. I am going to select the text and click the italic option. If you remove italic from text, again you click italic button. Also have another way to make italic, so I am using the shortcut key Ctrl+I. This command allows you italic the text of your document. Well, next is underline. I did select the text and click the underline option. If you want to remove underline from text, again you click the underline button. Also have another way to make underline, so I am using shortcut key Ctrl+U. All you have to do click the command and done. There is a way to strike through on the text in Microsoft Word. First go ahead and make your selection of whatever it. Are you want to apply the strike through formatting, you will select that and then under the Home tab in font section. You will see that there's some text here with the strike through on it, and that is a button for strike through. So we all click that. We can see it's applied there. Here we are using change case on the text. First go ahead to make your selection of the text where you want to apply. So I will choose that. then they're under the Home tab in the Font section. There are many options like sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize each word, toggle, etc. I want to look at all the text in uppercase. So I will click that and we can see it's applied there. If you want to capitalize each word, that's why I am selecting capitalize each word option, and we can see it's applied there. If you want to highlight text, first is select the text that you want to highlight, go the Home tab and click arrow next to the text highlighter color and select the color that you want. We see it applied there. After that, if you want to remove highlight from the text, so select highlighted text, then go to the Home tab and select the arrow and next to text highlighting color option, click on no color. Well, there is another way to use it to highlighter that highlights multiple parts of a document. So first is an important thing is there is no need to select the text first. Okay, directly you can select the color that you want. And the mouse pointer become a highlighter pointer icon. When you point to the area of your document that contains the text, select the text that you want to highlight. Okay. You want to stop highlighting, select the arrow next to the highlight color button icon and stop highlighting, or press escape button. I'm going to show you how to utilize text effect. Text effects allow you to change the way text looks and just quick points like outline, shadow, reflection, glow, etc. So we are going to select these words right here. We are going to the text effect button, and from here you can see the way the text will change just by hovering over the different effects. And when you pick the effect, it's done. Also, if you want to apply shadow on the text, you go to the text effect option and there are so many shadow effects. I will choose outer shadow. And I want to remove an effect from text, so select the text you want to remove an effect from. Go to the Home tab in the Font group and click Clear or Formatting option. Last is how to insert superscript and subscript in Microsoft Word. Mainly two ways to use tools, the superscript and subscript buttons and shortcut keys. The superscript and subscript buttons can be used any number, letter or symbol in your document. For example, I am placing my cursor where I will be inserting a superscript. Select the existing letters TH. Next, select the superscript button in the font group. Now we'll get formatting on the text. Click the superscript button again to turn off the formatting. Next example is I will type x to the power of 5. So I press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus E plus from my keyboard. The formatting is turn on. Now type the text that should receive the superscript formatting is 5. When you are finished, so press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus for turn off the formatting. This is an example for subscript. I am placing my cursor where I will be inserting a subscript number 2. So first is you select the number, select the subscript button in the font group. Now we'll get the formatting on the text. When you're finished, click the subscript button again to turn off the formatting. Here is another way how to use subscript on text by shortcut keys. I will type NO2. So press NO. So press shortcut key Ctrl plus equal from my keyboard. After the command you will type 2. When you are finished, and press shortcut key Ctrl plus equal for turn off the formatting. If you found this content useful, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. Again, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.